What's happening YouTube, it's your boy TechTrex back in another video, and today we're looking at the new power bank 10,000 milliamp hour by INIU, and also a USB-C to USB-C fast charge 100 watts. Here we go. First things first, make sure to hit that subscribe button below, hit the notification bell so you can be notified of the next videos to come, of tips and tricks and unboxing just like this one. Check out my merch below at 1130.ca. Hit that like button as well so we can beat that YouTube algorithm. Without further ado, let's go ahead and show you what this thing can do. Here we go. Today we're going to unbox this and show you what we got. I also have another one right here of the power bank, and we're going to be giving away one of these to one of you guys. If you want one, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and comment below why you want to get one, and hopefully you're the lucky winner. So here we go. Let's go ahead and open this up by INIU. Here you go. It comes with the welcome guide right there. Let's put that on the side for now. It also comes with the power bank right here, quite small as well. For a 10,000 milliamp hour battery pack, which is really good. You want this pretty compact design, of course. When you are going through your power bank, you don't want it too big, right? Which is really good. A little bit thicker though on right there, but that's all right. So this is what the battery pack looks like. On the side there is a power button right there. On the bottom here there is a USB-C in and out, USB-A, 2 slots. I think they're USB 3 as well, to charge your phones and different devices. And that's really it for the design there. But let's go ahead and turn this on and see what we get out of that. You get this really cool lighting right here, which is nice because it'll tell you how much power it has inside. There we go. Let's put that on the side for now. Let's see what else we get in the box here. Here we see some sort of a case there, which is really nice. Put your battery pack right in there, like so. There we go. Very nice bag there. Very cool. Let's put those in the side for now. So here it comes with a little lamp. It also comes with the USB-C to USB-A power cable right there to charge your device. So this one can swivel to whatever you want, like so. And then you can put it in on the USB out right there. Boom. Then hit the power button on the side right here, and then it'll light up. There you go. Let's go ahead and test that out in the dark now. There you go. It's pretty bright actually. You know, for those emergencies that you need a light, then you'll be able to use it for that. Really cool. There's also this light right here. If you double click the power button right there, it'll also light up. You don't need to really use that one. You can just use the battery pack right there to use this as a flashlight. Now with the USB box, it also comes with 2 braided cables, USB-C right there. Put that on the side for now. And it's also good for 100 watts. Very nice. Let's go ahead and test this out and see if it's really good or not. So you can see there it has the fast charge print right there, which I can put into our MacBook right there, as it is charging as well. So you can see there it has a light that shows right there that it shows that it's actually charging. Very nice. Again, it'll consume more battery right there as the paw becomes unlit. And as you can see there, the battery pack is able to charge our MacBook Air M1. And that's it for the day, everyone. Thanks for watching. I hope I was able to help you on your choice on a brand new battery pack. If I was able to help you, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. If you want to get one of these, I'll link this down below as well, so go ahead and check that out. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you can win one of these. Make sure to hit that like button and comment below so that you can win one of these, and tell me why you want to win one of these. Thanks for watching, everyone, and stay safe out there. Peace.